What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, as I told you in one of my previous video, that United States of America is concerned about the chipset which Huawei made with the help of SMIC, which is rocking the latest Huawei Mate 60 Pro and the Huawei Mate X5 foldable phone. Well, if you are new and you don't know about it all, well, Huawei was banned by the United States of America for buying high-end chipset, especially 5G processors, but somehow with the help of the China-based SMIC, Huawei has made a full-fledged 5G chipset named as the Kirin 9000S. I told you there is a possibility that the United States of America might further tighten the restrictions of Huawei after this breakthrough. And guys, it's finally happening and it's kind of serious. So, US Republicans demand full sanctions plus charges against Huawei and SMIC for making this chipset. Well, the Republicans lawmakers in the United States have called for tougher sanctions against China's Huawei and Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation aka SMIC after the companies were able to develop an advanced smartphone despite US export controls. Well, the 10 Republicans, including the chairs of key committees on China, Energy and Commerce and Defense, are urging the Commerce Department to impose full blocking sanctions on Huawei and SMIC as well as a criminal charges against their executives. They are basically saying that Huawei and SMIC violated US export controls by making advanced 7nm processor. But guys, I would add one thing. Huawei is not dumb. They might have anything in control due to which they will be able to prove that they didn't violate any law. They might have their own machinery for making high-end chip because they are working for years to make their own chipset. And Huawei didn't had any other option too, because in a recent speech, Huawei CEO admitted that Huawei needed to use self-made chip. He mentioned if Huawei doesn't use it, the company will always be lagging behind and the gap in technological advancement will continue to remain. So I think Huawei did the right thing which was needed. But let's see what United States of America will do the next. So what do you think about it? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.